is at the bottom. If you want to move it, all you got to do is press and hold, and now you're able to move it wherever you like. And press OK to lock it in. Okay, so now we're going to open it up. Okay, so once you get this page, hit the menu. That's the 3 dashes on your remote. Settings, press OK. So here's your settings. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to Profile first. Add a profile. Profile name. If you click on it, this part here, all it really is just the name, whatever you want to call. Easy to do a search, especially if you have multiple servers. It's good to name them all, so you know which one you want to use. Just press OK, then it gives you the option to go in it. I'm just going to leave it as a new profile just for this tutorial. The portal settings. This is probably the most important part in the whole setup. The portal URL. Press OK. And here you're going to type in what your service provider gives you. So when you order your IPTV subscription, it comes with a portal URL, and this is where you're going to enter it. So all you do is just press OK. And what I like to do is I would just delete it all the way to the /. And now type in the URL that your service provider gave you. Okay, so on this page, that's pretty much